Now let's have a demo on an operators. These are very simple. Okay, so let's take a number, let's say num1, and let me give it a value, let's say 25, and let me add num1 2, and here I'm going to use a value, let's say 10. Now you can perform operations, any type of mathematical operations. Like let me give a mathematical operation. Let's say I want to print the summation. Okay, so I will use sum, and here you can use num1 plus num2, and this is pretty simple, my friend. And when I print it here, it will give a sum. Okay, or you can also use the subtractions, like the subtractions. Here you can see num1 minus num2, let's say print. You can also use the formatters, let's say this will come in the later chapters, but for the hint I will give you that the subtraction is here. You can directly pass sub. So this is also the way to directly print the values by using F formatter. Or you can use the mul multiplication. Here you can use num1 multiply by num2, and here the print, let's say I will once again use the formatter multiplication is, once again I will just use, you can use the curly braces, and here it look like this. Okay, and let's say the division, let's div division. Here you can use num1 divide by num2, and here you can print once again, let's say F the formatter, and let's say division here is, I will use div div, and let's say the exponentials or the square. Okay, I will just print the square of num1 here. You can also use a cube, anything. I mean, this will the num1 to power 2. So here print, I will use the number is num1. Here you can use squares is, I will use square square. So let me print, let me run this application to here. Okay, and run the module. So you can see out here 35, the subtraction is 15, and multiplication and the division and then the square. And you can also use the floor division that will remove the decimals. Okay, means up to if it is above 0.5, it will add to the next number, or below 0.5, then it will be the current number. So here it's pretty simple. You can see floor div and num1 divide double, okay, by num2. So actually it is 2.5, but it will give you 2. Print F, let's say floor division is floor div. Save it, and then please run it, and here you will have an output like this. You can, the floor division is 2. So this is about the arithmetic operator, and when we move further you will have a lot of example regarding this.